Hi team, that this video is mostly about how to connect EC2 instance, guys. So let's go to the EC2 management, go to the instance running. Under this, you can get the go into the instance, particular instance. Here you can see the public IPv4 address. Just click on copy. If you are using the PPK file, then you can use the Putty to log into a EC2 instance. If you are using a PIM file, then if you have the Linux in your installed in your machine, then you can use the PIM file to log into this EC2 instance. Now I just have the PPK file, so I'll be using the Putty to get and log into the server. Just paste the IPv4 address that there in the EC2 instance and to the host name and give the port as 22. And here you can see the SSH. Click on the SSH and click on the auth and click on the credential. Now just do the browse and you need to select the PPK file. Here I have the PPK file is this demo. So I will just click on it and I will click open. Now this this putty need to connect to this EC2 instance. For that you need to have a port enabled which is 22. Here you can see just I have enabled all traffic, I think. Yeah, here I can enable the TCP and also enable the all traffic so that I can able to log into putty which the port 22, guys. So you can give login as Ubuntu. I just used the Ubuntu image, so I just will be giving Ubuntu. So it will be authenticated based on the key that we provided, and it's getting logged in, guys. So this is how you can able to log into EC2 instance using Putty. Thanks for watching this video.